Yo, gonna talk about Abahbounces. So first of all, it's an Abahbounce. The way it works is if you're on one of these surfaces that Jak slides on, you do a ground pound, you'll notice Jak kind of gets stuck, and you can do like slidey ground pounds like that, right? If you're able to have Jak's momentum like reaches close to 0 there while he's sliding, and you can neutralize your analog stick and you press X at the right moment, you'll get an Abahbounce. So the surface doesn't have to be completely flat, but that obviously makes it much easier. So this is a good place to just practice them. Yeah, nothing too complicated there. If you want to use collision renderer, these blue surfaces are walls, and these are the ones that you slide on. You can also do it on purple surfaces, like the rails out there are purple, you can't really see them, but if that's steep enough, it acts like a wall, and if you can get a sliding Abah on that or get stuck in a crack or whatever, you can do an Abahbounce there too. I'll try to find one of those here in a minute, but yeah, that's the basic Abahbounce, is just no movement, press X at the right point in the ground pound on a slidey state. So we are in No Man's Canyon. Sorry, I had a cutscene just a moment ago. And I'm going to talk about sliding Abahbounces now. So in collision render mode, these purple surfaces are the obstacle collision. These are the ones that act like either floors or walls depending on the angle. So this one I'm standing on right now, it's flat enough it acts like a floor. Same for this one, well, parts of it. Yeah. So this is flat enough. But for instance, like this area here is too steep and it's considered a wall, even though it's the obstacle collision. So this is an area that you can do a sliding Abahbounce on. So it's really the same thing as a normal Abahbounce, except you have to neutralize Jak's momentum yourself. And then right before you're about to do the jump, you want to just completely let go of the analog stick, let it come back to neutral. So Jak should still be mostly neutral in his momentum, the stick will be neutral, and then you just press X at the right time. So hopefully I'll try to get one here. Yeah, there you go. So a couple things to know. If you just ground pound and keep holding forward, you'll get that standpoint like that. I like to call this an Abah Cancel. I don't know if there's a real name for it. You can actually like get a normal jump out of that too, which can be useful in different situations. Yeah, but that happens when you don't let go of the analog stick if you keep holding forward, or whatever direction you need to neutralize your momentum. So yeah, that's like an Abah Cancel. You just keep holding the stick. You can get a normal jump out of it. To do the sliding Abah, you just need to let go of the stick and get that X press at the right point. Yeah, see, that was too early. That was too early letting go of the stick. There you go, just like that. That's pretty much it for sliding Abahbounces. The direction you have to hold changes a lot depending on the surface. So something like this, you're gonna have to like get perpendicular, and then you can do one. Sometimes you can get lucky, and even though it's like not level, Jak will get a standpoint, and Abahbounces are much easier. You don't even have to hold the stick, and you're still kind of doing a sliding Abah. Anyways, I think that's everything I learned about Abahbounces and Abah Cancels and whatnot from doing Orb Hunt 2. So hopefully this helps y'all if you haven't done these before. Cheers.